Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. How to remove business account on Instagram, or how to remove Instagram business account. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead and type right here Instagram on your App Store, Google Play, and you're gonna double check if your Instagram app needs to be updated, so you avoid any bugs or the black screens while using the app features. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just open up the Instagram, right? And as you can see, this is the interface of the app. I'm gonna just change my account, and as you can see right here, let's say this is your account. I'm gonna just go ahead right here, and I'm gonna just click on my profile icon at the below right corner. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just click the three bars at the top right, and from here what I'm gonna do, you're gonna be able to see your account center or meta. And basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna be able to see your account center, and here you're gonna be able to see the personal details, and just go ahead to the account ownership and control. So if you are like me using the business mode or professional mode, just go ahead and you want to delete your account, just go ahead to the deactivation or deletion, and then select the account that you want to delete. Sorry, I'm gonna just select the Instagram account, and basically the same process. Select the delete account, continue, and then add your reasons, and then continue, and basically enter your password, and you're gonna confirm after you enter your password that you want to delete or permanently delete your account. And as you can see right here, your account will be disabled, but you're gonna be able to get back to it until 30 May, right, or May 30. And afterwards you won't be able to visit your Instagram account permanently. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.